Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use easy CapCut auto caption. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and click new project. Add the video that you want to edit. And after this, if you wanna add auto caption on this video, the first I wanna show you, this is the original video.
Hello guys, this is tutorial easy CapCut auto caption.
Now I wanna add auto caption on this video, so you just click on the clip, click on the video, and after this at the menu you can swipe until you can see, in here at the menu you can click on the text at the bottom, and after this in here you can see auto caption. Click on it, and after this you can click you can choose the language at your video, because my video is Indonesian language, so I use Indonesian language. And after this, go back, and then now you can click on the continue. Please waiting up until this this process has been finished. Okay, now auto caption has been added.
Hello guys, this is tutorial easy CapCut auto caption. Bye!
Okay, it's so pretty simple, right? So that's how to add easy CapCut auto caption. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.